Wait. Don't scroll! Future Manix fam member ni Dri. Hello everyone, especially to Sir Manix and the whole Manix fam. I am Princess Malingin Libras, ang mestiza princess ng Queen City of the South, Cebu City. I'm turning 15 years old this coming June 29, 2026. Gusto ko pong mag-audition sa Manix fam because this is one of my biggest dream to be part of the social media world. I am also an only child. That's why I feel a strong responsibility to work hard to help my parents and make them proud. I also want to join because I want to help my parents financially to provide for my own needs and wants and to start building my future career. Being able to be part of Manix Management or Manix Fam would be one of the biggest milestones in my life. I believe that being part of Manix Fam will be the start of achieving my goals and dreams in life. At the same time, I want to improve my talents, gain confidence, discover more about myself, and learn from new experiences. So, sa karon nga bagong generation, basin ako na inyong gipangita nga next Bisaya girly. I'm also willing and ready to do any challenges or tasks given to me, whether it's cooking, dancing, acting, or any creative activities. I am open to learning affiliate marketing, selling products, and other social media opportunities. Since I was young, I have been watching your videos and vlogs, and I have seen how many people become successful because of Sir Manix. Because of that, I got inspired and started believing that I also have a chance to grow, learn, and become successful if I work hard and don't give up on my dreams. Thank you so much for this opportunity, and I hope to be part of Manix Fam.